Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried to change your security question on your Hotmail or MSN account but couldn't find the option, don't worry, you're not alone. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how Microsoft now handles account security, since security questions are no longer used. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you how to set up the latest protection method that keeps your account way more secure than before. First things first, open your browser and go to the Outlook login page, which is now part of Microsoft 365. Click Sign In and enter your Hotmail or MSN email address and password carefully. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From there, select My Microsoft Account. This will open your account dashboard. Now, click on the Security tab. This is where you can manage everything related to your password, sign-in preferences, and verification methods. Here's something important. Microsoft has completely phased out traditional security questions. That means you can't set or change a question like, "What's your first pet's name?" anymore. Instead, Microsoft has upgraded to a much more advanced and safer system called two-step verification. To enable it, click on two-step verification under the security settings. Then, follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to verify your identity using either a text message, email, or the Microsoft Authenticator app. Once set up, every time you sign in from a new device, you'll get a verification prompt or code to confirm it's really you. This small step adds a powerful extra layer of protection, making it almost impossible for hackers to break in, even if they know your password. And that's it. While you can't change or add a security question anymore, turning on two-step verification is the modern and much safer alternative. If this guide helped you secure your account, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a guide on Microsoft Authenticator setup next. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.